Good morning, Fazil. Beta, open your camera.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Om, beta, open
Good morning,
your
ma'am.
Good morning. Akshat, I think, is not connected to the audio.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Open your camera, Akshat.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children. Good morning, everyone.
This is a combined class.
It is always a combined class on Monday, 8th and 8B. Okay. In the previous class, we've completed chapter 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now today we'll be beginning with chapter number 2. Let me share screen with you of this chapter. All of you open your books to page number 24.
Ma'am, can you please send the PDF?
Ma'am, please send the PDF.
Okay, children, can you see the screen? I'll share the PDF with you. Till then,
It's loading.
just have a look at the screen.
Yes, ma'am. Now,
Lesson 2 is à la cafeteria, which means, what does it mean? Just tell me.
in a cafe. Ma'am, in a cafe.
Yes, in a cafeteria. In a cafeteria. Now we are going to read about what happened in the cafeteria. Okay, who is going to read first? Om Saraswat. Let's begin with you, beta.
Anish A. Manual finished
Good morning,
the
ma'am.
exercise
Okay, that's it.
in sweat L.
That's all. That's all. The first line goes, Anish A. Manuel finis les exercices. Les exercices. Now, what does this line mean? How will you translate it?
Ma'am, Anish and Manuel, have you done your exercise?
No, there is nothing like have, beta. Anish and Manuel finish the exercises. Now, what is the word finis here? Where does this
I'm
word
finished.
Yes,
Ma'am, finishes.
Well, finished.
it comes from the word finish. Now, everybody look up here at the board. We are going to do this today. In this chapter, we get introduced to a new verb. Which is that new verb? The new verb is finir. Finir means to finish. Till now, we had done ER ending verbs. That is the first group of verbs. Here, what is the ending of this verb? This is IR ending. IR belongs to the second group of verbs. Everybody just take out your copies and write it. Now, ER ending verbs have a different working, while IR ending verbs have a different working. Now, what is the working of IR ending verbs? Taken out your copies?
Ma'am, I think you have told something about IR in 8th B.
Something about IR?
I'm in 8th B.
Okay, maybe better. But let me tell you now. Now there is a particular working of IR ending verbs also. Now what is that working? Now IR verbs also have regular verbs and irregular verbs. Finir comes under regular working verbs of IR group. Finir means to finish. Now how we conjugate it? We conjugate, the pattern goes like this. Instead of IR, we put IS, IT.
IT,
Then,
ISSONS,
very good. ISSONS,
ISSESZ,
EZ, ISSEZ, and in the end it is ISSENT. This is the working of regular IR ending verbs. Is that clear? Now the first line, the fourth word is Anish A. Manuel finis les exercices. Now if I put FINI, sorry, FIN, it becomes finis. Exactly what is written in the book. It becomes this, which means it has been conjugated according to ILS and ENNES, because we are talking about two boys, Anish and Manuel. So we say they finish the exercises. Clear to everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
Now, if I want to say we finish exercises, how am I going to write? We finish the exercises.
ma'am. No.
finissons.
Very nice. Nous finissons. Nous
Les
finissons
exercises.
les exercices. So that's the working. ISISIT, ONS, sorry, ISISIT, ISSONS, ISSEZ, and ISSENT. That is the working of these verbs. Now you have to learn this by heart.
Ma'am, finir is a second form.
Yes, finir is the second form.
Ma'am, what is the first form?
First form is beta ER. ER verbs we have done now. The pattern was ESE, ONS, EZ, ENT. That was the pattern
Yes,
of
ma'am.
ER ending verbs.
Okay, ma'am.
Now what you will do is, everyone has written this.
Please wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait for a second.
This is IR, the second group. Second group, and this is the first group, that was ER. Okay. Just a minute, children. वीर बेटा मेरा लगाना चार्जिंग पे, फटाफट लगाओ मेरा लैपटॉप। वीर ये रहा, जल्दी से चार्जिंग पे लगाओ, ऑफ हो रहा है।
छोड़ दे चेयर हटाएगा तो लगेगा बदले
Yes, done.
Yes, ma'am, done.
yes ma'am
Okay. Now coming on to this ER. What is the pattern of ER? E, ESE, ONS, EZ, and ENT. Now, like finir, of this IR ending, I gave you an example. We got this example of finir. There is another example. The word is choisir. Choisir. Choisir means to choose. Okay? It also
Okay, ma'am.
works similar like finir.
Okay, ma'am.
Then, next line. What is the next line? Ils ensuite. Okay. Ensuite, ils vont à la cafétéria. The first line is Anish and Manuel finish the exercises. Then they go to the cafeteria. Ensuite means then. La cafétéria de l'école est grande. I hope all of you understand this line. La cafétéria de l'école est grande. Got this line?
Ma'am, it means the cafe and the school is grand.
No. Can I erase the board, children?
yes ma'am
Yes, ma'am.
Now it says La cafeteria. They're talking about the cafeteria. The cafeteria de l'école. Now, who will tell me the meaning of de l'école? What is the meaning of de l'école?
From the school.
This means the school. L'école means the school. If I add de before it, what it means? The means of, children, of.
Ma'am, of the school.
Yes, of the school. The cafeteria of the school est grande. Is big. The cafeteria of the school is big. Then, now the next line, il y a des gâteaux, des pains au chocolat, des bonbons, des tartines, des glaces, du jus, de fruits, etc. Now here, what this line means, this line has got many edible items. What are the edible items here? Gato. Gato. What is gato, children? The first item that is given. Il y a des gâteaux. Who will tell me what is gato? Nobody knows.
no ma'am
Gato is a cake. Now what is gato? Gato is a cake. Yes. It means it is a, we are talking about a cake over here. Then the next, children, how do I write on it? If I want to highlight this screen, how will I do that? Anyone can tell? Yes? No one knows?
Ma'am, by a marker.
Where is the marker? Where, that is what I'm asking.
May I tell?
Haan, beta, tell.
Ma'am, when you will go to that green parts, come no on the top.
Okay, I got it. See, I'm doing it. Can you see on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
But why is it disappearing? Vanishing pen. Okay, I have taken vanishing pen. What
You can
type?
take a color.
Color.
And you have taken highlight.
No, no, can I do this with draw? Okay. ये वाला correct. Yes, now it's.
Yes, draw.
But now I also want to zoom it. So it can't be zoomed at the same time. Can it be zoomed? Okay. See, now here we come on to the first item, Ilya de Gato. What is Gato? Gato is cake. Can you count
Cake.
cake? Can you count cakes?
Yes, ma'am.
Cake is a countable item. Fine. Then next
Your
is,
screen is not coming.
what is not coming?
Ma'am, screen.
Beta screen to hai. Children, my screen is not there.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it is
it is
coming.
there.
Yes.
Ma'am, maybe there is network problem there. That's why he's not able to see.
Yes. Then the next thing is de pain au chocolat. Now what is pain? Pain means bread. P-A-I-N-S is bread. And au chocolat means chocolate bread. So Ilya means there is or there are. Here we are talking about many things like cake, chocolate bread, and this and that, many other things. So Ilya will be written as there are. There are cakes, there are chocolate breads. Then the next word is des bonbons.
Ma'am,
Sweets, yes.
ma'am,
What
what
is
are chocolate breads and cake? Ma'am, they are same.
Nahin. Cakes can be pineapple cakes, vanilla cakes also. Chocolate bread is a particular, it is some kind, maybe some kind of a speciality, you can say over there. Chocolate flavored breads. Then the next is des bonbons. Bonbon is what? Again, sweets and toffees, which is again a
Ma'am,
countable.
candy or toffee?
Yes, again a countable item. Then the next is tartine. Now what is tartine? Tartine is toast, I think toast.
Juice.
Yes?
Juice.
Juice, no beta, not juice. Tartine is toast. I think it is toast. Yes, these are toasts. Toast is again a countable item. De glace. De glace is what? Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Yes,
Ice cream.
ice creams is again what? Countable item. And in the end, they have written du jus de fruits. That is fruit juice. Now, fruit juice is not a countable item, right? Can we count fresh fruit juice? No, we cannot.
No, ma'am.
So before
No, no.
every countable item, they have written they, D-E-S, and something that cannot be counted, they have written due before it. Due juice. That is, there are cakes, there are chocolate breads, there are sweets, there are toasts and ice creams and fruit juice. Clear?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you tell me the meaning of ensuite? I have to write it.
Ensuite means then. First, they finish the exercises. Anish and Manuel finish the exercises. Then they are going to the cafeteria. Ensuite has got it is used in many different ways, like then, after that. Then the next line is Caroline est déjà dans la cafétéria. Now, what is déjà? Déjà means already. Caroline is already in the cafeteria. Now, see, when these two boys come in the cafeteria, girl is already sitting there. She is Caroline.
Sitting.
Yes, Caroline is already sitting in the cafeteria. Il commande une limonade they freet. Now, what is the come on?
Excuse me,
See,
ma'am.
yes, beta.
Ma'am, it can be zoomed. Ma'am, tell how.
Tell.
Ma'am, first you have to, ma'am, according to ma'am, you stop the screen and ma'am zoom there on that
I have to
WhatsApp and
stop.
then come.
I have to stop what? This one.
Yes, ma'am, screening.
Okay, and
No,
now
ma'am,
how
it's
can I
coming.
use the pen? Now the pen can't be used at the same time while my screen is zoomed. Yes?
But then and it can be.
Ma'am, we can zoom
There
by
we go.
ourselves also.
We can zoom.
Ma'am, we can zoom from our devices also.
You can zoom from your device also. Okay, fine. All right. Written till here, Caroline est déjà dans la cafétéria. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what
Yes,
happened?
ma'am.
Elle commande une limonade. Now, elle commande is she orders. Now, what she orders? She orders one lemonade and they frites. Frites is what? Fries. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Manuel choisit. Now, see. Again, I told you this verb. IR
And chose it.
ending
Yes, ma'am.
choisir. The word choisi has been picked from there only. Manuel choisit un pain au chocolat et un jus de fruits. Manuel chooses a chocolate bread and a fruit juice.
Fruit juice.
A fruit juice. Anish choisit une glace. Anish chooses an ice cream. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The next line, il ne mange pas beaucoup. Now, in the previous class, I also told you about using the verb in negative way. How do we use a verb in the negative way? I told you that. You remember? It is used as what is the rule of using a word in negative? Suppose I say I eat chocolates. How will I negate this sentence? I don't eat chocolates.
I did not.
No, I don't eat chocolates. I do this work. I don't do this work. I speak French. I don't speak French. Okay, that is making a sentence into negative. Now in French, how do we do it? Suppose I say, je parle français, which means I speak French. That's the way. Now, to make it negative, what I will do, this is my verb. The verb is to speak. I will put ne before the verb. Ne plus verb plus pas. Ne verb pas. That means, how am I going to write the sentence? Je ne parle pas. What I don't speak? Français.
Français.
Okay. So similarly here, what the line is, il ne mange pas beaucoup. Now mange comes from the verb manger. Manger means to eat. Everybody write it. Manger means to eat. And what verb it is? It is a normal ER ending verb. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Il ne mange, MENGENT, Il ne mange pas beaucoup. They don't eat much. They have ordered, but they don't eat much. Il ne mange pas beaucoup. Beaucoup means much or lot. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait a second. Yes, ma'am, done.
Then the next line is Il mange plus volontiers à la maison pendant le dîner. Now, they do not eat much. In the cafeteria, when they order this much, they can't eat. They don't eat much here. The next line says, Il mange plus volontiers. They eat more willingly. Plus stands for more. Plus means more. They eat more willingly at the home during the dinner. Pendant. Now what word is? Pendant stands for during. Pendant.
Ma'am, I can't hear it properly.
The line says, they eat more willingly at the home, in the house, during the dinner. Here in the cafeteria, when they ordered so much food, they say that they do not eat much. The next line they says, they eat more willingly in the house during the dinner. Pendant means during.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next line, le serveur, le serveur. Le serveur means the, what do we say?
Waiter.
Waiter. Yes.
Waiter.
The waiter remplit les verres. Remplit is fills, to fill something. Now remplit again comes from which verb? It is remplir. Remplir means to fill. Again, IR ending verb. And when we are talking about one waiter, that means il. Remplir. The ending is IT. Okay. Le serveur remplit les verres d'eau fraîche. The waiter fills the glasses of fresh water. Now, what is water called in French? Water in French is EAU. EAU is water. Now, if I write d'eau, D apostrophe EAU, it means of water. Now, if I want to say fresh water, what I have done, I have used water fresh according to the rule, that is, adjectives are placed after the noun. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then the next line, PUIS. Now again, Now, what is this word? This is called hui. The whole line goes like this. Le serveur remplit les verres d'eau fraîche, puis il apporte des plats. Now, what does the waiter do? The waiter first fills the glasses with fresh water. Then, puis means then, he brings the plates. Apport. Now, what is this word apport? Puis stands for then. Now, apport.
And brings.
A-P-O-R-T-E. Yes, it comes from the verb apporter. Apporter means to bring. Fine? It means to bring. He brings the plates. This is how it is done whenever we go to any restaurant. First, we are served water. Then, the dishes are placed before us. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, les élèves finissent leur repas et ils ils rentrent à la classe. Now this line, how does it goes? It goes like, the students finish the meals. Repa stands for meals. We have done in the previous class, le boîte repas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The meal box, I told you, repa stands for meal. Now the students finish the meals and they return to the class. Ils rentrent. Now rentre, the verb is entrer. Entrer means to enter. Now here the verb is rentrer. Rentrer means to return. Rentrer. ER ending. They return to the class.
Okay.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. All of you have written the translation of each and every word. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
No. So what you will do is write now in your copies where you have written the conjugation of finir verb. In your copies, write down choisir verb also.
I'm written.
Choisir, the whole conjugation you have written. We have done these three verbs in this chapter. Finir, choisir, remplir. I want you to do all three verbs conjugation. Hurry up and do.
Ma'am means it will be written as J finis, J Q
Yes.
finis.
Yes, exactly. Conjugation means with all subject pronouns, the working of the verb.
And ma'am, it is same for L and L.
Yes, it is same for IL, it is same for ILS, ELLES. See, remplir verb I have done for you.
And we have to also write for Roplint.
Yes, beta?
And we have to also write for Raplint.
Yes, remplir. Remplir I have done for you on the board. Just try to do it on your own, and if you can't do it, then look at the board.
I'm done.
Yes, done.
Yes, ma'am.
What about others?
I'm doing.
I'm done.
Now done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, in the next class now, we are going to do the exercises of the chapter. I hope there is no doubt till here, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just